Stick around to the end to see exactly what type of burger I'm gonna make. Okay, let's move these burgers over. And I season these. Let's shut this down. I'll let you know what we're actually cooking at the end of this video. Please help support the channel. Subscribe. We have our ciabatta roll cut. Let's see what we have. I don't want to cook these too fast. I'm gonna leave this open for a while. Looks good. It's getting up there. We're not quite ready, but there goes a flame. These burgers are definitely ready. I checked the temperature in all three are good. Now, what I like to do to toast my roll, I like to put it in the toaster. I wanted to break this in half to show you just how perfect this is cooked. This is excellent. And there you have it. We're not making hamburgers. We're making lamb burgers.